All right, English learners, let's dive into today's topic. Oops, I forgot your name. This scenario happens to all of us. Whether it's bumping into someone from a conference or encountering an old friend, forgetting someone's name can feel like stepping on a banana peel in front of a crowd. Super embarrassing, am I right?
Right. Haha. It's one of those moments where you just wish the ground would open up and swallow you. Have you ever experienced something like this?
Absolutely. I remember being at a huge networking event. I had an amazing conversation with someone, but when I saw them again, I completely blanked on their name. I felt like the worst person in the world. You know that feeling of dread when you just want to avoid their gaze because you're terrified they'll notice your forgetfulness?
Haha. Yes, it's like a horror movie moment. So what do you do in that situation? Just nod awkwardly? And, should you admit that you forgot their name? Or try to cover it up somehow?
Great question. Honestly, sometimes transparency works best. You could say something like, "This is so embarrassing, but your name slipped my mind." Quote, "It eases the tension." Let's be real, everyone has been there. Acknowledging it can take the pressure off, and usually, people appreciate your honesty.
That's such a good point. It makes me think of that time when I waved at someone, thinking they were my friend, but it turned out to be a complete stranger. What are the odds, right?
Oh no, that's classic. Another example of an oops moment. You have to lean into it and own it. You could say something silly like, "Well, if you're not my friend, do you want to be?" Whew, it can totally break the ice and lead to a new friendship.
Haha. I like that. So, going back to names, do you think it's worse to forget someone's name or to forget a major occasion like a birthday?
That's a tough one. Forgetting a birthday can be quite hurtful because it signifies that you didn't value that special day for someone. But with names, it's often just a momentary lapse. You can recover from it with humor, but catching an important date? Yikes, that's like stepping into a minefield.
Right? It's like opening Pandora's box. Just don't even get me started on anniversaries. That's like a double whammy if you mess that up. Oof, so scary.
Exactly. It shows a lack of attention. This makes me think about cultural differences. Have you ever noticed how different cultures perceive these mistakes? In some places, it's considered casual and funny, while in others, it can be a big deal.
Oh wow, right. I hadn't thought of that. It's like in some cultures, they breeze past the name thing as if it's nothing, while others might shoot daggers at you. Laughs. It's like a debate on what's more embarrassing, for real.
Absolutely. Each culture carries its own nuances. Just a little takeaway. The key phrases we talked about, "in a bit of a hurry," "contact details," and "that slipped my mind," can help navigate these interactions smoothly. Just embrace it and keep the conversation flowing.
Such practical advice. I should really jot that down. Thanks for today's lesson. I can't wait to apply it.
You got it. Remember, folks, it's all about connection, laughter, and sometimes a sprinkle of humility.
Haha, just don't ask me my name. Laughs.
Laughs. Exactly. And with that, we'll catch you next time. Don't forget to check out our resources and let us know your oops stories.
Can't wait to share mine.